Hello, welcome to ISE 2020, where we are showcasing the latest product of Microsoft Surface Hub 2S. My name is Xavier Peerbrix. I work for Also. We are almost the world's largest Microsoft distributor. We supply and offer various services to our partners throughout the channel. I am responsible for the Surface Hub and the Microsoft Modern Workplace. And today I will show you a quick demo of the Surface Hub 2S. So actually, if you're not familiar with the Surface Hub 2S, I would strongly advise you to go to Microsoft and search for Surface Hub. In fact, it's a collaboration device, a premium device, which contains 3 very important use cases. So as you can see on the home screen, you'll have a Skype or a Teams app to make calls or to receive phone calls. You'll have a digital whiteboard, and you'll have a Connect app, which will allow you to connect devices, multiple devices, Windows, Android devices, wirelessly or via cable. So let me show you a small, quick demo of the whiteboard. As you can see, with one click of the button, I have pulled up the whiteboard. The whiteboard has some cool features. So I can, of course, write my name fluidly, so no latency. That's very important for the user experience. Of course, the other end has an eraser. I can pull in the Microsoft home screen and get a browser, let's say Edge, and I want to search something. So if I search for, let's say, the Surface Hub, of course, it should pull up some images. Now from here I can make a snapshot, and I can pull in the snapshot to my digital whiteboard. So as you can see, with only 1 or 2 clicks, I have made a selection of the snapshot, and as you can see, magically it appears on my digital widescreen. And the beautiful thing is that I can enhance it, I can make it bigger, I can get it on a large screen, and of course the most important thing is that on the end, unlike traditional whiteboards, I can email this whiteboard. So it will be saved safely on Microsoft Cloud, let's say OneDrive if you use that, and from there you can always get to the whiteboard of your last session. That can be really handy if you have multiple appointments and you need to go back to the previous one. So that is just one simple use case. Another beautiful use case is the fact that I can call people. So let's say I have an expert in my organization which is using Skype or Teams, doesn't matter. In this case we use Skype on the Hub 2. So from here I can search for someone. Let's say I'm going to search for myself. It will find me in a directory. I just click with one button and I can make the invite. So now I have Skype running on my phone, of course. And as you can see, the Surface Hub is calling me on my device. If I accept, I have to unmute it. And if I video accept, as you can see, now you can see the whole room. And I can see you on the big screen. There you are with the camera, right? So as you can see, the connectivity built in. So that's just a quick demo of what the Surface Hub can offer companies regarding creativity, productivity, and enhancing the group collaboration, which is a very important message of Microsoft and the Surface Hub 2. We are from Also, we are the distributor. So if you have any questions, or you would like to become a partner, or if you're an end customer, you would like to engage in what partners have to offer, please visit our website at www.also.nl. Thank you. Bye-bye.